How to enable live video option on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, on the Play Store application and search for Facebook, make sure that you have the latest version of the Facebook application. As you can see on the screen, there is no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of Facebook application. Now we're going to go back and then all we have to do is make a long press on the application. Then tap on app info. As you tap on app info, it will lead us to a new page where you'll be able to see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner. So just tap on clear data and then here you can just clear the cache. Next, go to the app permissions and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options. After checking on that, you can just go and look for Facebook. If this does not solve the issue, you can just make a long press on the power button and then tap on reboot and restart the device. This might as well help you fix your issue. And if this does not help you, then you can just go and contact on your Facebook team, support team, and they'll contact you within 24 hours. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.